If you have ever wondered on how to use beeswax wraps, you want to see this video. My name is Patrick. I'm the founder of Patabee, and originally we started producing beeswax wraps as a natural and reusable alternative to aluminum foil and plastic cling wraps. By using a sustainable and reusable and even natural alternative to these artificial wrapping materials, you actually have a big impact right in your environment. When you are open this package the first time, you will find 4 wraps in different colors to recognize your foodstuff, and in 3 different sizes for the different usages. There is also a very useful instruction manual which recaps all the stuff we cover right in this video. As we have 3 different sizes, we can cover mostly all of our purpose. The small one is best used for vegetable and fruit leftovers like cucumbers and lemon. The middle one, the middle size one, is probably the one we use the most. That's why we provide 2 pieces of this wrap, which is great also for covering leftovers or to cap little bowls like the bowl with the cutted melon in there. And we do also have a very big one, which is great to cover bigger bowls and bigger produce like stuff like this, pineapple or like cabbage or stuff which really has a big cut face. And you also can wrap up like sandwiches or multiple sandwiches like this. Beeswax wraps are a bit different in their use than their artificial counterparts. If you are using it the first time, crumple it 2 or 3 times to get a smoother structure. You also notice the cling factor here on the wrap, it sticks together. So I'm just going to crumple every wrap. When you are cooking or basically working in your kitchen and cutting some fruits and vegetables, you have many times some leftovers like this lemon. You can really nicely use this small wrap for either wrap the whole lemon like this, then take it in your palms, press gently with your palms. Your body heat softens the beeswax. After a few seconds, you can just release it and you see the wrap sticks to itself. You can do either wrap the whole fruit, or if you're cutting cucumber, as example, you probably have a longer part to cover. You can either cover the whole cucumber with a bigger wrap or only cover the cut face like this, then wrap over tightly. Then again, use the body heat to soften the beeswax and let the beeswax stick to itself and seal. Beeswax wraps never stick to the foodstuff or the bowl, but only to itself. That's why you want to make sure to overlap it very well to itself to seal properly. So the medium-sized wraps are obviously good for bigger produce or bigger food stuff or bigger leftovers, or like if you have multiple pieces like these chunks of the lemon and the cucumber, you can also wrap it together, make like a little bag, crumple it together. Again, use the body heat, press gently with your palms, et voila. Another nice thing of these beeswax wraps, or how you can use these beeswax wraps, is as example to cover bowls like the one I've got here with the melons in it. I have sliced some melons for later to eat and to store it in the fridge or somewhere in your kitchen. However, you can also use these beeswax wraps, then put the wrap on top of the bowl, pull the wrap closely over the edge, make sure you have enough of the wrap to overlap, to stick to itself, and again, the wrap doesn't stick to the bowl, it only sticks to itself. Use your body heat, a few seconds, and to check this, you just put it on the head. It works. So now we have the big one left. Bring your sandwiches to go to cover it. Simply wrap it around. Again, press gently with your palms to seal it, and you have a nice, natural and biodegradable package to bring your food stuff. And beside wrapping your sandwiches, you can also use it for the bigger produce. It works very well. And again, here, oh, that smells really nice. And again, here, it doesn't stick to the food stuff, nor to the fruit or a vegetable, or not to the table, but it will stick to itself when you are wrapping it around this pineapple. You can press gently and just store the whole pineapple in the fridge. It stays really fresh. I always use them when I do my smoothies in the morning to cover actually the pineapples and the papayas, and they work really well. So on average, our beeswax wraps last for about 100 uses, or probably 150 uses. It depends on how you use them. If you use them just to cover a bowl, it lasts almost forever. Not forever, you know, it's biodegradable, but it lasts really long. If you're using it for, as example, for storing lemons, because of the acid of the lemons, or like orange or grapefruits, the wrap gets like damaged earlier. Also, after a few uses, some small parts of beeswax detach from the wrap. That's absolutely normal, and one of the reasons why we in our company only use certified organic ingredients, so you never have to worry about that when some small pieces end up in your foodstuff. I hope you've enjoyed this short presentation on how to use beeswax wraps. Obviously, I presented our own product. However, which product you choose, you are doing great by choosing a natural alternative over artificial products. Whether you are already using beeswax wraps or plan to use them in the future, thank you very much for having that nice impact in your environment and for being crazy enough to save the world. Now I'm gonna have my snack and hope to see you soon in another video. Goodbye. Thank you.